And more than 3 million people have died from COVID-19 around the world. And many countries are still facing surges in deaths and cases. Elizabeth Palmer gives us an update now on conditions around the globe.
In Germany, Chancellor Angela Merkel attended a solemn ceremony to commemorate the country's nearly 80,000 victims. Prosperous, developed Europe is still grappling with a lethal third wave of the pandemic. The exception is Britain, one of the world leaders in vaccinations. Its strict lockdown, in effect since Christmas, is finally easing, and deaths and new cases are both in decline. Another wealthy country struggling with a COVID surge is Canada. Medical services are under strain, and in Toronto and Ottawa, children's hospitals opened up their ICUs to adults. Until Canada manages to ramp up its vaccinations, the outlook is dire. India is another global hotspot. An overstretched medical system is facing shortages of oxygen and drugs, as India recorded more than 200,000 new corona cases for the 9th day in a row. So it is a wonder that the Kumbh Mela festival was allowed to go ahead. Millions of devoted Hindus ritually cleansed their sins in the Ganges River, a mega spreader event that has public health officials bracing for a COVID tsunami. The other persistent hotspot is Brazil, where there is an ominous trend. In fact, for the very first time, the majority of patients in ICU are under 40. Extra contagious variants may be to blame, but one thing is clear. More Brazilians are dying of COVID every day than anywhere else on Earth. Elizabeth Palmer, CBS News, London.